Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next topic of the ledger. I will tell you the format of the ledger, means how to prepare the ledger accounts, and then the posting of the entries, how to do the entries from journals to the ledger in the simple posting and the opening entries posting. Now you may see here, this is the specimens of the ledger. The first is at the top, you have to write down the name of account. Then on the left side, you have to write down the debit. On the credit and the right side at the corners, you have to write down the word credit. Then the columns are date, particulars, JF, and then sometime LF word may be there of the next account and the amounts. You may see that this is a debit disclosure. In the same manners, the credit disclosures will be done. The same columns will be put on the credit side. In the date of months and the year will be listed here. Now the particular accounts two and buy word is to be put, two on the debit side and buy on the credit side. And but it is not a mandatory, but it should be written, then the outlook will be maintained. And now next is the name of the credit item placed. When the name of account is listed here, if it is debit, then the name of credit to be listed on the two column. And then by the name of debit item will be placed there. When the suppose I am taking the one example here, RAM account. RAM account is if it is debited. Suppose if I am taking the one word is the RAM account debit to sales account. I am taking the one example here. RAM account debit to sales account. That is a journal entry, and this is the account of RAM. Suppose now when the RAM account is there, at the top you have to write down the RAM account. And if you don't like to write the account with the name of the persons, you can avoid. Then the next one is two. What you do, you have to write down here. Date you can write down, months you can write down, amount you can write down, because the question is telling you. But the question is two means RAM is debited. You have to come to the debit side of the one particular account and put here to the debit side in the particulars column 2 the credit item called as sales account. So here you have to write down the sales to sales account. In the same manner, if you are preparing the sales account, write down at the top the sales account. When you have written the sale account is on credit, you have to come to the credit side of the sale account buy, but put the name of the debit like RAM. It means in the sales account buy RAM will be put, and in the RAM account two sales will be put. So that's why the debit and credit total always remain same. So that's why the trial balance can be tally. So you may have to pass the every account like in this manner. Now the posting of the entries from journal to the ledger. This process of transferring the entries recorded first to the journal and then shifting to the ledger is called as posting. The posting means grouping all the transactions related to the one particular account at a one place. Like the RAM account, then all the RAM accounts entries will be placed on the one place, one account. This is a simple entry has been given here how to post. The salary account debit to bank account. First you have to think about to the entry. Here you can open the two account. One is the salary account and second is the bank account. So you may see here I am putting this into the posting. First the journal entry is the same salary account debit to bank. How will you put when you are preparing the account? Salary account is to be open with the format and the bank account will be open with the format. And now you may see the first is salary is debit. When the salary is debit, you have to go to the salary account and go to the debit side of the salary account and write down there the date, amount, and then two word is reference to the name of account is to be credited, which is listed in the uh, journal entry that needs to be placed here to bank account. Name of credit item will be placed here. So in the bank account, you may see the bank is in the journal entry is on the credit side. You have to come to the credit side of the bank account and write down the by salary means the name of debit item. But one thing you may have to see here also, like the salary is getting 25,000. So your totals to the salary should be 25 on the debit side. If the bank is listed with them 25,000, then it should be come to the credit side with the 25,000. So I think the amount should not be changed. Sometime in the combined entry, the students may be confused. So you may have to focus only to the value listed in front of the items. Now I am giving the details how to pass the opening entries. When the opening entries is needed to pass, you may see the one entry is asset account is debited. When asset account is debited, it can be land, building, furnitures. You may open the name of account land, building, furniture, etc. But here we have taken only the 50,000 as a total amount of the assets. So that's why the asset account is opened here. And then the liabilities and capital account will be opened with the name of 20,600 and 29,000 with the 400. Now you may see that assets always remain on debit when having in the business. That means it was on the debits. This is the opening entry. So the balance will remain to start with the opening balance on the debit side. When the debit side is there, to balance brought down word is to be listed. When the brought down word is there, that is called as opening balance. It is forwarded balance from the previous closing entry, and then the closing entry is to be write down at the end of the one particular account. So here the assets account is open with the name of to balance brought down with the 50,000. If you have the 50,000 bifurcation of the land building furniture, you have to open the three accounts with the name of the land building furnitures, and to balance brought down is to be listed there, and the amount will be allocations accordingly to be listed there only. And now the same is the liabilities to be allocated with the name of the different liabilities XYZ, or maybe the bank overdraft, creditors. So many liabilities are there. You may open with the name of the liabilities, and the amount of 20,600 may be allocated accordingly. And then to be write down the buy balance brought down. Why are you writing the buy balance brought down? And to the capital also buy balance brought down, because as per the rules of the debit and credit, when asset is in the business, it will remain on debit, and the liabilities and the capitals will remain on credits. So that's why the asset is to be starting with the debit balance, and the liabilities and capitals are starting with the credit balance. So you may have to think about the items of the debit and credit. The both total will leads to the 50,000 equivalents to the 50,000. Debit total is always remain to the equals to the credit totals. So I think the asset is to be debited with the balance brought down 50,000, and liability is to be credited by the balance brought down with the 20,600, and the capital will be started with the balance brought down with the 29,400 as listed in the opening entries. So first you have to make the focus on the opening entry, then to post the entries into the ledger posting. So I think this is the way to start now. Sometimes the items may be related with the discount, like the cash discount to X. I am taking the one more example here. Cash word is referring to suppose 900, and the discount is referring with the 100, and to X with the 1000. So here the three accounts are there: cash, discount, and X. Now listen carefully. Again I am saying cash with the 900, discount with the 100, and 2x with the 1000. When the 1x is 1000, it means it is the total of 900 plus 100, the items shown into the debit and discount. So x is leading with the two entries. One is cash 2x with the 900, and the discount 2x with the 100. This is called as the combined entry. So when you are passing to the cash account debit, cash account is if you are preparing, then cash account 2x when you are writing, you have to write in the cash account 900. You don't have to write the 1000. It means 2x, only the cash is related with the 900. So total will be given in the front of the items in the like the cash account 900. It should be listed in the cash account only 900. When you are moving to the discount is 100, then discount account when you are opening it is debited, then write down 2x with the amount of 100 only. It means x has the two part, 900 and plus 100. But when you are writing to the x is listed with the 1000. One is 900 plus 100. So we have the two accounts which are affecting to the x account. So again when I am moving to the x account, x is credited by cash with 900, by discount with 100. So it means these are the two entries: cash to x with 900 and discount to x with 100. So if you want to see separately, then automatically you will pass the entries. This is the scheme to pass the entries. And at the end of, when after the passing the all the entry, you have to create the balance. When you have to create the balance, that means the balance, closing balance will come in front of you. Thank you.